What up? Guys, we've got buckets, we've got masks, we've got everything in here. We also got great deals on our used department. We're losing profits left and right. That's great. See this? That's a costume I can afford. You ever thought about Vienna sausages? Me too. Hey, guess what? Buckethead's back there. They're going to sell you the used department at a really good price. So come and see us, because we don't know what we're doing losing our profits. Vienna sausages. They're good for the heart.